Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can unblock an account on Instagram if they blocked you. So let's say you blocked somebody on Instagram and they also return blocked you. Well, in order to talk with that person again, first you need to unblock them so they can unblock you as well. Well, let me tell you how this works. First, you open Instagram and you click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and you click on the three line at the top right and click on where it says settings. And from over here you want to search for blocked, B-L-O-C-K-E, and it's going to show you blocked accounts. Click on blocked accounts. All the account you have blocked is going to be shown over here. So first what you want to do is click on unblock. Click on unblock. Once you do that, the person will be unblocked. Now the person is unblocked, but you still can't talk with that person because that person has still blocked you. So now you need to wait until that person unblocks you, alright? So for that, you can either call them, or like if you have added them on other social media like Snapchat, Facebook, message them on Snapchat, Facebook, or if you can, then go meet them IRL and ask them to unblock you so you can talk with each other. Because to talk with that person, both of you have to unblock each other, otherwise it's not going to work, alright? And until and unless you have access to that person's Instagram account, you cannot unblock them. So it's up to them on like if they want to unblock you or not. But until that happens, you cannot talk with them. But yeah, that's how you guys can unblock an account on Instagram if they blocked you. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.